Okay. I think I made it back. What did I miss? Can you hear me?
He's back.
There we go. What did I miss? Lewis, what's up?
Who's that? Oh, welcome, Lewis.
What's up, champ? Not much.
Just chilling, watching the market do nothing. I did take a 6E short, by the way.
Oh, good.
I had a little trend line in there, and while you were gone, I took a short. I got my first target, and I was hoping it would continue down, but it came back up and
Well,
took me out. So I've
again,
had a lot of first targets today.
my plan to scale into shorts again today should have held through. I did pretty well at it. I just didn't do it
Yeah,
the last time,
and
and I wanted to.
and I like it now because now we've reversed back to lower highs again. We were
Well,
doing lower lows,
I
lower higher
still,
lows, and
I mean, I still had that level, man. I was just like, I liked it all the way up to S1, like I said, and it did exactly what I mean, unfortunately, I had internet issues when it got there, but I think I would have taken that and started to scale in on that one.
it is what it is. It's a Friday, not sweating it. I'm green, not anything to brag about,
Worn
but
out
green.
scalping.
I'm
Lewis,
pretty much scalp. That's what I'm doing, scalping.
are you do I know do you know me, Lewis? Have you seen me before? Have you been around us before? Like at another like at Liberty or something? If not, welcome. Somewhat entertaining, somewhat which Lewis is this? Who
Saw
is
you on
this?
OnlyFans.
I
That's
have
great.
to know which one
I
is it.
love it. Whoever
Is
you
this
are, you
Texas?
belong
Is
here.
this
I'll tell you
Texas
that
Lewis?
much.
This has got to be Texas Lewis. He's the only one that probably talked to me like that. Oh, you're
Well,
just screwing around.
you
All
got
right,
the right
cool, man.
attitude, Lewis.
That's right.
You'll fit right in here just perfect.
Oh, I was like, God, it's got to be somebody that I know. After that, that's perfect. I can't wait. I mean, only another week or so. Boss Hog's coming back, man. Wait, is that next week?
There you go. Former Marine.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
next week,
next week.
Boss Hog, bro.
It's gonna be cool.
Get excited for that one.
You gonna be on the mic with us or what?
Heck yeah. There's
Nice.
no way I wouldn't have him on the mic with me. With, there's no point in him coming back if he's not going to be on the mic. Sorry, Wilbur.
All right, NQ.
Just a former Marine. I love it. Appreciate your service. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I want to get that one short, man.
Hey, show it.
I just got to do it. I'm going to do it. And then I'll add if it goes back up. I just
There's a
this is
break of the
too.
low.
Yeah, I got to be in something on that.
I'm not gonna buy it here, but I'm not gonna sell it here. But
Oh well, I mean,
now I like it. Now come back up and I'll jump in.
yeah, that's fine. I'll put another one on with it.
There we go.
Oh, I still haven't traded that one account. I need to trade that. I was hoping I'd get the 6 micro trade with the ES or MES or M and Q or MES. I'd like to do. Where I'm gonna add back where we just came from. Maybe and put a
All right, I'm short.
another one back up here. Yeah, I got.
Wow.
Let's see. Let me go put something like there. Sell limit. I'm just gonna do a little scaling in here.
Little scalpy scalping scale.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'll give it. I got some room on this one, so maybe one there and get another one back up here. something like that. There you go. There's your little lesson in go from level to level on your targets and your entries. And then I guess my catastrophe stop would be back up at S1 if we get there. So that's probably a decent little thing. Maybe I could even add one more back up here. Be like 4 deep then. Yep, that's my plan at least. And put a
Yeah. I'm gonna jump in here. Jumped in there. I jumped in there. Look at that. Boom. Target.
immediately
That was
off.
quick. Oh, come on, baby. Break the low.
Let's see. Do I?
Chinging. All right. Well, that worked.
Got a little bit of a double bottom here, triple bottom, quadruple bottom, 8 times bottom on the ES. So I'm just gonna be aware of that. Even though the NQ is starting to make new lows here. A lot of price action going on here. Lots of stuff. If it can bust through, it's going to go down. We got room for it to
Yeah,
really this.
that's what I'm looking for. I'm short 77.
I was looking back here on the ES. You got lows like 80, let's see, 480. No, actually, we're not far from where this should be at. About 50 more points. Yeah, we should have about 50 points left in this move today on the ES. But doesn't have to do anything. Doesn't have to do crap. Well, this is starting to look like a long set, I'd be honest with you.
It's funny. I was just thinking the same thing. Looking at the bigger.
Starting to look like a long setup. So Lewis, we do larger tick charts. So I got like I don't know. I've been leaving that one on 1500. I should probably move it back up to 2000. But use larger tick charts in combination with a smaller tick chart to give us levels, entries. We really like to look for these consolidation on a tick chart and a breakout of that for in the direction of our bias. Those are trades that we really like to do. This is my miss today. My biggest miss was not taking this short. So on a larger tick chart that looks like this, which is a nice little pattern with some wicks on top, and then smaller tick chart, that consolidation really tells you that there's a lot of contracts being gathered, and then boop, we take the trade out of there. Okay, that's how it works. That's what we do. Oh, it just barely went away from my target there. By the way, this is a winner chicken dinner target off. I think I'm just going to put a stop in here. Well, no. Let's go get my target.
Playing big today, right? Micros? one and 2 micros.
Yeah, ask any questions you want to, Lewis. I'm assuming you just started your trial today? If so, you got a bunch of time. There's my target.
Come on, baby. Break this low. I'm still sitting in one from 77 short, so we'll see if this thing will go. Come on. If not, I'll just take some profit here and get back in when it pops back up there.
Yeah, I'm going to put a stop in now since it's already broken down. I'd rather go out with this little profit and get a better contract. Well, you know what? Nah, I'm going to do this. Let's put a catastrophe stop in. Like back here. And then, actually, if this reverses out of here, I would want to scale in higher. So I'm just going to put a stop in and guaranteed some profits. And then I can start selling again if it rallies back up.
Yeah. I'm gonna do the opposite. I think I'm gonna lock in some profits and get back in when it pops up.
That's what I just said.
Oh, I thought you left. No, but you
No,
left one in. I mean, I got out,
I got.
like
Oh,
completely.
I probably should have done that. That's
Yeah, I
fine.
got out at the bottom, took locked it in, and then I'll get back in up here again.
That's fine.
Either one's right. It's fine.
I think I want to try that again. Let it pop up here a little bit.
Let it go up a little higher. Let it get a little elevation. Because you're getting a buy signal on the yes, buy signal on the in.
Buy signal? I'm not buying anything.
No,
I'm not buying
no, I'm not
anything
saying
at
no,
all.
I'm not buying either. No, I'm just telling you what I'm seeing.
Buying shit,
Heck no, I'm not
man.
buying. In fact, that was the short again. I missed it while I was too busy talking.
Well, at this point, I'm gonna go back to my thought process that I did back here.
Layer in.
Yeah, I mean it worked perfectly fine for me. This sure does look like a head and shoulders pattern too, doesn't it? Now that I'm looking at it, shit, it does,
Yeah.
doesn't it? Oof. Let's see what we got on this smaller tick chart. That's a lot. I don't know, man. I gotta be short.
Woof.
Get short.
Woof.
Get short.
There's that break I was looking for earlier. There she is.
Can't do it in minis yet, but I could. I want to get these 6 micros off. Give me a little rally pop back up here. I'll try that again. Let's see. JJ612. What's up, guys? Y'all late to the party today?
Late to the party, people.
You were just getting an email or something?
Must have been a late email or something.
Did you guys get a late email?
All right. They're getting a trial. That'd be here Monday morning.
Yeah, make sure you guys get. We start at 9 Eastern every day, every single day, like never fails.
Today is just one of those days. It's a Friday. I'll just leave it at that.
9 Eastern every single day. Okay.
Ooh.
Are these the
That's gonna go
droids?
back up.
Are these the droids we're looking for?
No. Yeah. Come on.
I don't think it's very far from it, is it?
I don't like it. I've got to close above that. I don't like it.
You have little faith. Well, you can take the long, and I can wait for the short.
It's funny you say that because I did take the long.
I mean, you take a couple micros. It's not. I mean, like.
Yeah, I'm just. I mean, I'm literally playing in 1 and 2 micros. I don't really care. I'm not risking anything. Not in this market. Hell no.
I still think I want to put one on short now.
I am green, and I'm going to keep my green, go into my weekend green, and enjoy my. Come back Monday.
Yeah, I'm gonna get one short.
I'll play 1 and 2 micros both ways here. I don't care.
Get one short and then wait.
Now the other option here would be. The only thing is.
I won't let it
What
go
time
above
is it?
S1. I'm not.
10:48?
I'm gonna do exactly what I said. I'm not gonna let it go above S1.
Yeah.
I'll put 2 more contracts. One up here around 5:12 ish, and one up there around S1.
I am.
And then I'll do another one. I'll take another account. Oh, I can't squeeze play them. Never mind. Shit. Never mind. I can't go long and short at the same time. Damn it.
No, not in a PA. You can't. No.
Damn it. No, I meant in 2 different accounts from the same company.
I mean, you could if it's 2 different prop firms. You just can't do it in the same
I don't have
prop
that.
firm.
I don't have it set up right now to do that.
You can't do it like in the same prop
Nope.
firm.
I gotta stick my plan.
No, they will definitely bust you for that.
I will take a short if it sets up.
Look at this long working out.
Yeah,
Go,
look at-
baby.
oh, yeah,
Get all the way up to that
I should've
S1.
just pressed a button on the long. I should have just pressed a button
I'll
on the
take
long
it.
with you.
Freaking $100 freaking micro trade. Come on. There we go. Bingo, cha-chingo.
There you go. Good job. That was a stop run right there, wasn't it?
Big time. Yeah, when I
It was
saw it
definitely a stop run.
break past that previous swing up there, I said, yeah, this thing's not coming back. I said, let me just jump on the long wagon.
Lulu, do you take the long as well, Lulu?
Lulu's long? You long also, Lulu?
Take the long. You're taking the long way home. The long way around.
Nailed it. Good job.
Where did you get in? Did you get in after the push down? You sitting on a runner?
Hell
I
yeah,
would guess
baby.
that you did.
Go. Damn.
You
Okay.
saw that
Well,
fake
this is
out
going to be the
breakout?
trade today. Sucks that it's in a micro, but all right, I'll take it. God, we might get that S1.
Yeah, this is kind of scaring me.
I'm going to put my target up there.
This is kind of scaring me on this micro, man.
Yeah, I was a little, when you said that, I was like, oh, because
That's part of the plan. I mean, if it completely reverses from here, that is a true stop run. But my catastrophe stop sitting up there, so I'm not like that worried about it. I mean, what am I going to risk? $250?
all right. I don't think I'm going to give anything back because it is a micro and I don't.
GC running up now.
And I have big money on these accounts today. Look at this. Woo. $42, $60, $7.
Well, then don't trade, Lulu.
I don't, what happened?
Don't trade.
Targets. I feel like I'm revenge trading just because I'm dealing with ex-husband. Lulu, stop trading.
No,
Why are you trading? Look, you just nailed it. Go away. Take
Yeah,
your
go-
$59, and that, you know what? That's a good Friday. Come back
Get
Monday.
on out of here.
Kick her out.
Yeah, I'll kick you out of the room, Lulu.
We'll kick you out of the room.
I'll kick you out of the room. Get on.
Of course, that won't stop her from trading.
No.
We'll reach in and disconnect your ninja. How about that?
I downloaded that app on your computer.
We're not
this
gonna
to
kick
stay
you
up.
out, Lulu.
Then tell me a joke, Lulu. Jeez, come on.
We'll even let you go dirty with it if you want.
Somewhat dirty.
Nobody in here is going to get offended.
Oh wait, yeah, that's true. You can write the joke out in
We,
here. all
we
you
can
want to.
we can do it in here.
Yeah, yeah. One joke, one dirty joke. Come on.
One joke, Lulu. Go
Somewhat
ahead.
dirty. Don't do it bad. Don't make it bad.
Yeah, don't go
You
too.
guys, are you okay with a bad?
Keep
With
it-
her giving up a joke here?
Keep it
Lulu.
R.
She's special.
Keep it R rated.
Just you new people. She's special. So
Yeah,
just
she's special. Yeah, for
very
the new
special.
people, she can go on a tangent. Hopefully, you're not offended. I know
not
Lewis
offended,
won't
yeah,
get offended. He's a Marine.
I can
He can care less.
It's a fact.
JJ hopefully won't
That's
get offended.
JJ.
We'll see. Trying to see who the new people are in here.
But
Okay, disclosure.
considering-
We are not controlling what's coming out of this woman's mouth.
Nope. We have no control, and I'm pretty sure it's something.
Full disclosure. Whatever she says next, we have no control over.
It better be a good one, Lulu. It better be a good one. Okay, I'm considering putting another. This looks like
Yeah, now you're getting that was it. That was
looks
your
like a short
pullback.
here.
I'm flat on that. It's a nice little trade, man. That was sweet.
All right, go get my target.
There's your dump. Look at that. All the way up to dump it. Now watch him retrace his whole move.
Dump. Go on down, dude. You're supposed to be going down from there, not up. That's a good trade. That's what it's supposed to be doing. It's a setup. I mean, I don't understand. I need to move my stop probably, but.
All right.
All right.
What a book.
Bukaki. Oh my God, Lulu. Oh my God. Target off. Oh my God. Target off, baby. Let's roll with it. I told you I was going to get one of these. Told you. Told you, bro. Look at that. I don't know what I'm doing. It's just. I just need to figure out this trading thing. Somebody give me like some advice here on how to trade, please. Somebody please do it.
We get lucky, by the way, every now and then.
Please, I need the help. You guys follow that one? That was a good trade. Anybody grab that one with me? Anybody grab that trade with me? Anybody? That was a good one. I only planned on it for like an hour and a half before while Paul was getting his longs in. Let's try to get my short on. Get my short on.
Look, just a proof that we can both go in opposite directions and both be right.
Unless you're wrong.
Unless you're wrong, yes. But we weren't that time. We got lucky again.
Over and over. Nobody got that trade with me? Come on. That was a good one. I've been patiently waiting for that trade all morning long, Paul. Got him. Got him.
I don't know that you're going to get much more follow through than this, though.
Yeah, I'm seriously considering getting out of this one contract I got short.
I mean, if you can't make, I don't know.
Nice. Where's your level? What is it? I want to know your level there. What surprise you got, Lulu? I need 2 levels. Give me one above, strong ones. Give me one below here. Give me a strong level below here, Lulu. Like around in the 40s, 50s or 40s. 65, 69. That's a big zone, dude. Okay, well, I'm a couple ticks.
82? 82? 482? And then VWAP? 91?
Below. I wanted the zone below.
Oh, you want below?
Yeah, like something in the 50s or 40s. Where's the zone? What do you have down there, Lulu? 50s or 40s on the ES here? Give me one. Get her to do something productive. Oh, Lori. Lori. Do I take off with a small loss on this one contract that I got short, or just add another one up here on the rally? Stick to my plan, add one up on the rally. Well, I already took one off. Added one, took one off. So I'm like a small, like tap right now. Just a fraction of a loss here on this one. What do you think? What say you, Paul?
I say
Get out of
I'm a little on the long bias myself,
yeah,
but
I think get out of this short with a small loss is probably prudent.
that's not to say this can't just dump right here, but
I know it's tiny. Or just put a stop.
does
in
anybody know,
above
is
this
Trump
high.
talking?
Yeah, I'll just put a stop in. It's only one contract I'm in.
She said, never call me Lori. Shirley. And don't call me Shirley. Surely you're not serious.
I am serious. Don't call me.
Don't call me Shirley.
Yeah, we're seeing that across the board, Lewis. That's
What's
why I'm
that?
trying
We
to
kept getting higher lows on NQ.
Yeah,
Yeah,
'cause I
that's
really
why
take
I'm
a small loss on this and then scale into the longs. Since I'm tied to the shorts right now, I don't want to be tied to them. That makes sense, right, guys? Yeah.
I mean, the truth is we're
I don't want to be
inside.
tied to shorts. I'd rather take longs on another account. That's a logical thing to do, right? Nobody? You don't think it's logical?
I'm definitely, yeah. I mean, I'm definitely long biased. There's no doubt about it right
Well,
now.
I'm getting there now too. It took me a while, but I'm getting there.
But we're still in a range where this could go either way.
We could.
So we haven't, as long as we're staying inside the opening range, which we're doing, I don't.
Get above Lulu's monster zone. She's only got a 5-point zone on the ES. That's silly.
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 Let's see, 5,100, 54 strong lines at 51 and a quarter. Yeah, I got that too. And a quarter.
Oh my goodness, Lulu's gonna be named. I'll call you Phoenix. I'll just call you Joaquin for short.
I'm working on a legal name change. My fiance legally changed his name to Red Metal. Phoenix? Come on, Lulu.
Joaquin.
Just
There's
stay
your
with
new
Lulu.
name.
That's a cool name.
Yeah, what's wrong with Lulu?
Plus, we know that already. We're used to calling you that for years now.
Yeah, I'm gonna be calling you Lulu no matter what.
That Joaquin, what is that? Jacina? Joacina? How do you say that?
Joaquin.
Oh, is that Joaquin? Okay. Joaquin
She said
Phoenix?
she said she was gonna change her name to Phoenix. I was like, nope, you get Joaquin for me. Joaquin. And it just sounds weird too when you say it more. How many times do you think people are like Joaquin, and after like, say that 10 times fast? Oh, back to trading here.
This is just back into this settling into this little
All right. I
no
always
man's
like
land.
that. Since Lewis, since you were participating, and I asked JJ before too. What you got background in trade? You have been trading for a while, or you new, or what's your level of understanding? And
Expertise.
While we're sitting here, I'll kind of go through our thought process and our methodology.
Might as well. Sure beats trading.
Here, I'll just go ahead and pull this NQ chart up here and make it. So the larger tick chart, it's super simple too. We have nothing on it. I've been. Oh, okay. So you've been around the block of time too. Cool, man. So we use this advanced chart trader, and so we can switch between minis and micros based on what the market condition is. Mostly in micros, but if we get decent swings in the market, we go to minis. But really, all we're looking for is, it's really straightforward. We're looking for these rally up, maybe overbought here on stochastics. We use an 89 exponential that just gives us our bias. That's pretty much it. So 89 is pointing down. We're shorting everything that walks. 89 is pointing up. We're buying. 89 is flat. We are going both directions. Typically, that's the idea. It works out really well too. In an environment. Now, what we really, really, really like to do is have our levels. I forgot to put this level in. That's a good level there.
I'll be right back while you explain.
And so I think you got some splaining to do, Lucy. So like we look for levels where price actions has stalled for a while. Like down here, there's going to be a level somewhere down here. There's too many contracts being traded in this area. So like right there is probably going to be a level in the future. We'll see. So we the most important thing is we try to wait for price to get to a level, and then make a decision on something like this on a smaller tick chart. Does the price action look good enough for us to take the trade short from that level? If not, a lot of times we will look for like this little, what was that? It was later. Here, like this right here, this little structure right here. If it's an area we think we should be buying from and that buy signal fails, then we'll take the short out of it. We didn't do that one though, but that's kind of the idea here, is that the big tick chart shows the accumulation of trades being made, meaning that people are interested in that level. Long or short, doesn't really matter. And then when it goes in the direction, either direction, I don't care. Like if this had gone up after building this little structure, I probably would have thought about buying it out of there, because that would be true reversal thought process. And again, this is a good trade that we didn't take. This is a setup that I did take. It just came back and took my no. That was when I had an internet issue. I was going to take that. Didn't have the internet issue. So that's really all we do. And then again, like I said, if the 89 is pointing down, we're looking for shorts. Sideways, we're looking for longs. I mean, up we're looking for longs, and then I will scale into the M and Q quite regularly, just to, especially if I have a good direction on price. We use a couple, obviously we scale in, but we use a couple different ATMs once we see a trade entry. So you saw the trade I took on the MES off the ES chart. That's broken EM. Technically, technically we're still short. We are still short. The only other thing, so if we add a couple things into our rule set here, we look at these double bottoms, these bottom patterns, and then even though we haven't crossed over the EMA, this swing high here would be the one that would say, hey, once we break the swing high, especially with a double bottom or triple bottom, so that's in our rule set. We have a pretty detailed trade plan, but one of our rules is looking for, after an extended push down, look for a reversal. So that's why we're looking at it. Back here, we were not even thinking reversal, not at all. Now after this price action's happened here, and we're hanging out up here, again, I'm still looking for. Does that make sense? So if this breaks up a little bit further, then I got to start looking for longs on a reversal pattern. So that's kind of why I'm on the sidelines right now doing nothing, because I don't want to guess on a short when we've had plenty of attempts already at the short side of things. Make sense? Oh, understood.
Holy cow! Stepped away and it shot up, huh?
Yeah, I was explaining why, even though we're going counter to our rules here, it's not really, because in our rule set, we are looking at double bottoms and price action. Like, how many attempts do you get at the bottom before it's not valid is what we're looking at. And that's the territory we're in right now, is possibly start looking for the longs. And the 89 on the ES, we use the ES a lot to lead as well, Lewis. So the ES is starting to point up. That's another factor. So we don't just look at the NQ for, like, if you're just looking, I feel like this, if you're just looking at NQ, you're going to get faked out a lot. Let the ES tell you what to do with the NQ. Even though I take a bunch of trades on the M and Q and NQ, I'm typically looking at the ES to make sure. And then I always grab that once or twice a day, grab that nice little trade on the ES or MES with that. Yeah, so confluence, that's exactly what we do. Really simple points of confluence. I mean, the way we do this isn't complicated. Are we at a bottom? We'll make the market prove that we're seeing bottom territory, like it has. Lots of stuff. Never could. You had that one. This is the other two. We call this a fake out breakout in our rules. So, like a little bit ago, how it faked out to the downside and they tried to get everybody going. This is our rule set, and it reverses back above the prior swing high. We call it a fake out breakout. And again, technically, that's why I should have taken it along with you as well, Paul. I didn't even see that until after the fact. And then you have another perfectly good sell signal came down here. And what we say in our rules is there's no follow through on this. Once there's no more follow through on the shorts, 89 starting to go flat or point up, starting to go flat here on the NQ. Now we start switching our thought process to longs. Again, just 100% clear here with you, and I think you got this. As long as we're seeing nice, clean swings to a direction, our thought process always stays in that direction. Lose nice, clean swings, no more nice, clean swings, we start thinking it's time for reversal. Pretty simple. It's pretty great, straightforward, isn't it? I think the way we do it is a very clean, simple way. And then at that point, all we're doing deciding is how many contracts are we entering with, or are we scaling? That's it. That's pretty much it, right, Paul?
Oh yeah, perfect.
I mean, that's pretty much it. Then we decide if we're scaling in or how many contracts, what our sizing should be. Again, we tend to use minis on the ES when every now and then we use minis on the NQ when we get nice clean swings, and we're not getting that right now. Or I was trying to figure out a way to switch to minis all morning, but not going to happen. All right, you want to think? I feel like we're in coin flip territory, Paul. We haven't stayed above that swing high, didn't break the swing high on the NQ. It's got to get above that swing high and stay there for me to really get dedicated to the longs. What do you think? I mean,
I
it's
mean,
fine.
yeah. I
You
mean, right
can't.
now, again, I said it earlier. I think we're still inside this opening range. This is just
Yeah.
still really just kind of rangy chop stuff. I mean, it's just
Yeah.
shooting
On the
up and
trade
then coming back.
on the trading methodology, it's one of those things where I've done this. I've been doing this for since 14 years, Lewis. Um, and I've gone through every single thing you could possibly imagine, and every indicator, every freaking thing on the planet you could imagine. Tried everything, and what I found kept going back to is, and that I found that works for me is simple. Keep it simple, stupid, and because I'm not smart at all, I am not smart. I don't claim to be, and simple the better, and
Simple works.
straightforward rules. I mean, we have a rule that said our rule right now says sit on our hands because we're at a level and we're not swinging out of it. We sit on our hands, we're not swinging out of a level. If it were sitting back here, I mean, here in our rule, like back, where was that? Back here. Oh no, it was back here where we're swinging up and down. Then I can add shorts. I can do it, and I did. I did a really nice add to the shorts up on that one. Where was it earlier? Oh, back here, I added to the shorts. Got a nice little one. That was a nice little $500 trade. So really simple rules. Just keep it that way. Yeah, that's true. We've all done it. Don't trade sideways 89. Lulu. All right. So it looks like they tipped their hand a little bit for me. I'm gonna next rally. I'm gonna start adding back shorts again.
I mean, but we're still making lower highs, so. But you're, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm indecisive right now. So that tells me just sit on my hands.
I'm gonna try to get a short on. Get one contract in here. Oh, and I gotta take this. I get it's the most important, very important phone call.
Go for it. Oh yeah, Lewis. I always say it. That's 95% of people traders out there overcomplicate trading, and I was guilty of it. I can't say anything. I mean, for years I was that. I had 50 million indicators and tried every shiny nickel I saw, and it wasn't until I just simplified everything and support, resistance, and price action, clean charts. Amazing how much simpler it gets, how much
Did you
easier and less stress.
did you want to be in that
Me,
meeting with me and Gray?
at what time?
Whenever we're done, I just texted now.
Yeah, I could probably jump on there. Depends on what time you're going to do it, but yeah.
Whenever we get done, I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
I'm gonna make me some lunch. Well, I didn't get a chance to add one, but I got one since we're staying down now. And again, here's the other thing, Lewis, is we look at the market conditions and like it just makes sense to go in one at a time in this kind of market instead of going whole hog with 4 or 5 contracts because it's just too risky to do that in this kind of market. Not that risky with one contract. And it's working out pretty decent for me. We this is a big thing. We never do the shoulda, coulda, woulda game. I mean, we say it sometimes, but don't.
We say it, but we don't do it.
No, because that leads to a bad habit. I don't want to. One day I'd be like, oh, I should have put 3 contracts instead of 1 short. No, because the market says it's too volatile to do that, and you'd be a gambler at that point and over leveraging. All right, you learned everything about how I trade in 20 minutes, Lewis. That's it. Well, now let's go back to dirty jokes. Should have seen the look on Lulu's face. Somebody's going to come in here one day and scroll back through the messages and see that.
That was relatively clean for her, though.
I know.
I have text messages with a lot worse jokes than that.
Is there anybody going to be upset if Lulu puts another joke in? Or we're waiting to do something? Say it now. All right, Lulu, you're up to bat. She stepped away. I'm going to text her. I'd like to get this one account traded that I've been meaning to get in a decent trade, and I want to get like one trade on it so I can keep my little consistency thing going here. But I think I'll be done for the week if I get that one on. That's the only one I have left. Only group I have left to trade here. And I'm gonna put a stop in here too. Let's see, where should my target be? If this breaks down again, Paul. We're probably looking for some decent shorts coming up here.
Yeah, get towards the bottom of the
down.
We're at the bottom. Opening range area here, so see what happens.
Well, we already had a fake Crable. All right, let's see.
I think Lulu stepped away.
Yeah, I text her. She's not here.
I mean, breaking hold below this, I don't really see anything stopping this.
No, that's what I'm saying. That's what I said earlier.
I mean,
but I kept thinking again, though. So the problem here is I kept thinking that earlier on the ES, and they just did a fake out breakout to the long side.
And they took it to the long side, yeah.
Yeah, so that's why I can't go in with more than one contract. But I think the one contract getting in is not a bad idea. I mean. But it's got. I mean, like if it doesn't push through this time, I'm taking a reversal long. How about that? There you go.
There you go.
Like down around 450. I said that 4 times today. That was the level I had 450 earlier this morning, and it got right to it. Nailed that one too. Nailed it. Put you on the spot. There you go, Lulu. We need that joke before this long setup comes up. Yeah, I'm gonna put a stop in here. I mean, this is. I'm just gonna put a stop in. If it takes me out, I can add higher. There you go. And stuck to my plan today and made money, Paul. How
700
about
tick.
that? Ooh, feedback.
700 tick.
What'd you say?
You're using a
Oh,
700
I
tick?
just never changed it to a 610. I mean, it could totally be a 610. The other one I have down here is on 610.
Let's see what happens here at this 450. I mean,
It's close enough.
that's a, like you said, if they hold it again, then we might want to jump on the long bandwagon.
That's what I'm saying. If
The ride back up.
yeah, it's got to be. If we get a clean setup on the long side, I'll take it. Because this is total reversal stuff. And my stop management, Lewis, is on point. On point stops.
Yes. You can take his stop calls.
Swallows. Oh man.
Oh, hell no. Wow. Wow.
This man, is this a long? Do we take this? I'm thinking
I don't
maybe.
know. I really wanted to see it
Oh,
come
I
down
didn't
and
mark it.
test.
Shit.
I wanted to test
That
the
was
low.
premature. I shouldn't have done that. I was trying to
I
grab
really
my
wanted
thing.
to come down and test this low. 450.
I got that one a little premature. Target off on the long. I would have been in now anyway. So there you go. And let me get this target up here. Let's see if we go all the way back up. All the way up. Got another tick on my stop. Leave it there. Maybe to come back and get me. I don't know. Another winning trade. Oh, lame. Stop. 2 ticks too tight, huh?
I jumped in.
I just was bragging on my
I
stop
freaking jumped
management.
in. I had to jump in long.
I was just bragging on my stop management. Poo, poo, poo.
All right. Got that first target off. That was a quick little scout. Now let's see if second target will run.
I know it's gonna. I need to think about getting back in this year.
Yeah, I really wanted to see the test of low, but it didn't look like I was going to get it down there, so I said, the hell with it. And it doesn't look like I'm going to get anything more than one target.
No,
Oh,
you
there we
got
go.
this, bro.
There we go.
You
Oh,
got it. I
hello.
wanted to get back in that
Hello.
myself.
Can you say
I saw
cha-ching
that
again?
coming.
Damn.
That's called reversal.
There you go.
Stupid
Was there-
stop management.
Dude.
Dang it. You're in this, right?
Yes, I am in this.
Are you on the ES?
No, I'm in NQ.
You probably think about being flat up here.
Yep, top of the range. I'm not going to give it any room. Lock another freaking quick $70, $80. Man, getting up there. Almost $300 in micros. I'll take it. Playing micros on a Friday.
Yeah, no, I'm good with that.
Actually, more than that if you count all the other accounts. Probably up close to around $500 or $600 total overall for the day. In micros, I'll take it. Trading 2 micros.
Yeah, I'm rocking like about just a fraction over 1,000.
Lewis got a question mark. What does that mean? He questioning my long. Look at that, right to the top of the range and back down.
Oh my God, Lulu. He's talking about Lulu's stupid joke.
Oh, I know. Yeah, that was definitely a stop hunt.
Yeah, well, thank everybody for giving us their money on that. Welcome to two normal dudes just taking other people's money. It's like highway
Whatever
robbery,
it
what
was a
we do
long for me.
call.
That's what it was.
I know. I just my stupid ass didn't stay in it like I should have.
I almost didn't do it because I really wanted it to test the bottom of the range there, but
I saw the
when
setup happening, and I was like,
yeah, when it was
yeah.
boxing up like that and when it was consolidating, I said, you know what, this isn't going to go down. Let me just jump in.
I just kicked myself because I was just bragging on my stop management, and I got my stop too tight, like a dumbass. Oh, so possible another long setup here happening. I'm afraid after that one move to do something else, though. You know.
Yeah, I'm
Like, I
going to
think
wait till it either
not
comes breaks
it
the
is
top or it comes back down.
yeah, it is a possible long setup, but it just won't stay above that level. If it stays above that level, I'd be fine taking the long, but it's not. That earlier swing high, it's got to stay above it, and it's not doing it. So every time it comes back here, I'm thinking coin flip, coin flip, coin flip. All right, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do NQ on that. Then I'm gonna do just so I can get a trade on this account. Let me switch to this. Okay, that's on the right one. I'm just gonna switch that to the NQ ATM instead of the MNQ, so I can do two whole minute micros. When I get a trade, I'll do it on this account now. Finally, today. Maybe not. I might. I mean, I'd rather go into the weekend with it not traded than red, but. Splits. I knew that was a long setup, but it's hard to take.
Yeah, I mean, again, I don't want to take it in the middle.
Maybe we just take a quick break here and come back in like 5 minutes.
We're going to just wait just a second because it's getting up here top of this range. Let's see if it breaks this top of the range here.
Well, the ES is working on that right now.
So I'm looking at the NQ.
So is the NQ. Let's see.
Otherwise, we've got a nice little double top forming.
The only thing I do like about this, and this is what I was saying yesterday, it is staying above. Well, we are getting higher highs and higher lows, I guess. So ES is flat, NQ 89 is flat. So we probably really need to start thinking reversal, don't we?
Yeah, this is going to pop, I think. That's yeah.
Yeah, I should have just pulled the trigger on
Yeah.
that. But that's okay. We'll just wait. That was a little iffy on my end here. I'm just pissed I didn't stay in that long with you. That's my one mistake this morning. Didn't stay in that stinking long. One mistake. Still all green. I can handle that. Still all green.
And there it is again.
Possible
Right.
GC short now. Look at that. That might be something that's worth looking at. Way overextended.
I'll take it below that, yeah.
Look at that. Dude, man, look at all this stuff back here. I would venture to look at an NBC short there. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah. MGC? Like
Yeah, MGC.
like there. Maybe a couple.
This thing's going to go.
Okay. I like
It's
that.
going to pop. Here it goes.
Let's see here. I don't want want to do a breakout on the first trade on this account today. There's an MGC. Let's see if that goes anywhere. Don't take my stop. Go, run. Go on down there.
I mean,
Run,
real stop's got to be above that wick up there.
know, but that's more
That's
of
a
risk
big
than
stop.
That's a lot more risk than I want to take.
It's a big risk.
Dude.
Big risk.
Risk than I want to take on that one.
Come on down.
Maybe.
Come on down.
Maybe behind that doji there.
Oh, look at that crap.
Go, buddy, go.
I'm
go.
not
Maybe
loving
we'll
it.
close
Go. Not loving it. Come on down. Oh, crap. Watch, pay attention, Paul. Shit. There's my pop. Damn it. Damn it. I missed it. I was sitting there watching this MGC and I missed the breakout of the NQ.
I'm not going to take all the heat on this. I'm going to close this out. This camera's
too.
going down now. I'm not going to take the heat.
God.
I got to get out of the kitchen.
Damn it. Ah.
Not taking the heat. Not going to do it. That was a good setup.
Well, there's my missed trade.
I don't think that would be that. I don't think that's a big of a deal.
Oh, I was waiting for that. I just looked. I was paying attention to that stupid MGC. This is going to go all the way up to VWAP. You watch.
Yeah, it's right at a level.
A 30-point move in a split second. Oh, well. Oh, I called it. I don't know if anybody took it.
So this is the last stop on the train back here at this 9:30. That level we had earlier this morning, and yeah, somewhere up there around VWAP. That'd be the last place you'd probably look for a short. Other than that, we got to think long now. I'm gonna close and hold above. There's not a lot of room there on the ES either. That'd be above VWAP there. I mean, that'd be. There's a little bit more opportunity here to get up to those prior morning highs on the NQ than there is on the ES.
Can't take it now.
I'm trying to decide if I want to do this on the breakout on the NQ.
I already got the breakout on the NQ. You mean again?
Like a
breakout
bull flag,
again?
yeah, like a bull flag.
Okay.
Oh. Like now. Oh shit. Like right now. Never mind.
I don't FOMO, Paul. Just let it go. Let it go.
Yeah,
Let it go.
No mo FOMO. No.
That's going to eat me alive.
Oh, relax. It's not that big of a deal. It's just a trade. It's
Just a trade. I know, but that's
just one trade. Not the end of the world.
oh well.
However, once I got in the trade, I should manage my trade better. That is a bad one. And this might be I
Well, the VWAP, you can get in it. I just can't get in it now. But yeah, you can.
I'm
If you
tempted to do
you've got
this.
if you got the greens in the room, but your real stop's got to be it's big
I
stop,
know.
big stop. Real stop's got to be down. Yeah, around 65, somewhere down there.
Oh wait.
Because this could come all the way back here. Could come back to the top of that range. Doesn't look like it's going to. It looks like it's going to keep going all the way up there to VWAP, but
Be patient. I mean, I'm good and green. I just got that one account that I want to trade, and that's it.
I had that loaded up with my regular 6 micros. That would have been a nice little trade.
Oh yeah, that was loaded with 6 micros too.
Mm-hmm. I was gonna trade that one for real.
Now this might actually be a short setup happening here. I don't know if I'm still on board with the shorts, but we're still under the morning lows. I mean, think about our rules. We're still under these swing lows. We're kind of in the middle now. I mean, this could be considered two-way trading. Swing high, swing lows, stand in the middle. If it does that, two-way trading. That's possible thought for the short then. You know,
It's
Where would you get into it?
tough for me to short this right now.
I know. I'm just talking through what I'm seeing. I'm not saying I'm gonna take that play. It's tempting though, isn't it? I mean, you could now. Now I think either way, right? Like if it breaks out to the top, especially in the ES, you got a nice little structure here. Maybe I can do it at the market and catch it on the run, whichever way it wants to go. All right, there we go then. I mean, if I'll do it in two. I'm gonna do two micros, not six. And there's my GC short working out. They just wanted to make sure all the stops were out of the way. That's all they wanted to do. Oh crap! Looking at GC and didn't take much micro trade there. Well, boogie. Potatoes. All potatoes.
Jumped in long here off this
Did you?
79. Yeah. See if I can get a little bit of this thing break up. I still think it wants to go up towards that VWAP. I jumped in long on that pullback to 77. I got 3 contracts off, so to hold these 2 and see what hold these other 3 and see what happens. See what happens. Come on, break this and go.
Yes is doing it.
I kind of chased that a little bit. Really wasn't. Really shouldn't have done that, but it's going to work out. So
Let me get the stop down.
there she goes. Come on. Come on, Sat. Oh, don't you come back. Oh, slap you. Oh, flat. Oh, well. Scalp it again. Freaking Scalp City did. No, that's not true. I've got a couple good ones that moved. Well, I was just slightly green, but now that I'm looking, it's adding up. It's adding up pretty good right now.
What is going on there?
We getting there.
What the hell? That is nuts. Where'd that order come from? Damn it.
We got some phantom order or something.
I know it. Huh. Oh, I had the wrong freaking. I was trying to add a contract long and I had the wrong freaking ATM on. I had the ATM turned on. I did it on a different chart from that one. All right, that again. So again, we're gonna do this the right way. Oh, we might be getting close to calling it a week, man. I don't want to do anything dumb. What do you think?
Yeah. It's 11:30, 11:40.
Coming back at 9 a.m. on Monday.